chiropractic adjusts the bone by moving soft tissue around it. And that helps to keep everything lined up so that your nerves continue to operate your body as best they can. Your nerves go, if you can't see all the words, to every part of your body, whether it's to your brain, your heart and lungs, your stomach and intestines, or your low back going to your legs and all these other organs down here. So, in order to keep all of that working optimally, that's why we keep this adjusted. Whenever you see someone who looks young, but they're walking like this, they don't look young. But you can see someone older dancing and being able to be pain-free and able to lift their grandchildren and able to play on the floor with them. It's phenomenal how fulfilling it is to see someone's life changed and them being able to do what they need to do in their life. You're in the right place at the right time to get the right adjustment for your life.